Rust's built-in team system is fine, but it's pretty bare. No clan tags, no alliance system, no dedicated clan chat. The Clans plugin fills that gap. This video covers installation, config, and the commands your player will actually use. You need an Oxide-enabled Rust server. That's all. Unlike most plugins, Clans doesn't require any permission setup. Players can create and join clans right out of the box. You just need file manager access in Physgun or an SFTP client to get the file onto the server. Visit umod.org/plugins/clans and download the latest version. Make sure it's current. Older versions have known issues. You're downloading a single CS file. Upload the file to Oxide Plugins on your server. In Physgun, that's File Manager, Oxide Plugins, Upload. Then run oxide.reload clans in the console or just restart your server. Config and data folders generate automatically on first load. The config file is at oxide.config.clans.json. Key things to set here: member limits per clan, clan tag rules, invite behavior, role colors, and whether you want purge options enabled. Worth reviewing before players start creating clans. Changing member limits after the fact can cause confusion. Players can create a clan with /clan create followed by their tag. They can invite others with /clan invite, and invited players can join with /clan join and the tag. The /c command sends a message to clan members only, and /clan shows the full clan overview menu. That's most of what regular players need to know. Clan moderators can invite, cancel invites, and kick members. Owners can promote and demote moderators and disband the clan entirely. For alliances, use /clan ally invite with the other clan's tag. The other clan owner accepts it with /clan ally accept. Allied members share the /a chat channel. The most common issue: players try to join a clan with /clan join and get an error. Usually it's because they don't have a pending invite. Invites are not open. A moderator or owner has to send one first with /clan invite. Also worth noting, clan tags are case sensitive, so /clan join tag in all caps and /clan join tag in all lowercase are not the same things. That's the Clan plugin. If you need a Rust server to run it on, Physgun has Rust hosting with Oxide pre-installed. Links in the description.